Hi guys, thanks for giving another opportunity for doing another activity for in Quarky self-driving car. This is a Quarky kit, and these are the various parts of Quarky, and you can see this Quarky which can able to connect via the charging cable. There is a Type C cable, and this is a connecting procedures which is given in a LMS access. You can able to see that how it is going to connect. Next elements of Quarky. This is and Quarky functions in pictoblocks. So run robot, you can run in the direction of left, right, or forward with the speed of what the range is given, either forward or backward. That you can do. Runtime robot, you can make the robot in the directions of like forward, backward, left, right, and stop robot. It stop the robot. Then run motor in a left and right direction with the speed also mentioned. Stop motor, that also it's mentioned according to your need. You can choose the function and can use it. Then self driving car, why self-driving car is used. So automatically the car can drive automatically. If any person is moving, then stop it, then going. So this is self-driving car. It's an best example for Alexa. Like, you can see the Tesla is a best example for that. You can see the activity for Python powered self-driving car. You can have for case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Case 1 is a go. When I am showing the card with a go, the Quarky kit will move forward. Then 2 turn left, 3 turn right, 4 you turn. Like see this video. It's shown with when I'm showing the card go card, it's going. When I'm showing the left turn and right turn, it's turning. Likewise, you turn then go. So all the things it's going. This is the sample code. You can use it. You can see that how the code is there. Let's see. And this code I'll just open. So this is a code for how it's working for self-driving car using Python. Sprite equal to sprite and state. A sprite is a class that create an instance with the name called stage, and you are going to creating a Quarky class. You can use the various methods and functions which is on Quarky, then create a sprite, and that also you can create with the name called Toby. And here two times is repeating, so you can take with one. And this is a recognition cards is a class which this class which consists of various methods. Those methods you are going to utilizing it, that is a recognition card. For that you are going to creating instance, and recognition cards dot video we are going to making camera to be on to see that uh, what kind of card has been shown. So that has been enabled with enable box is a method. It is going to recognize card. That card can be enabled with the box, and that set threshold is a method to recognize uh, exact pictures of your card that can be recognized correctly. Next to you are making a condition called true. It always true. You can recognize the card using the camera. Analyze camera is method to analyze the camera, and that can be used to detect the sign of cards using the class name. Once it's detected with the sign, what sign, either it's a go, turn left or turn right, whatever it is, that can be shown with the detected. Then you are going to checking the condition cards is above 1. If any one card is shown is above 1, then it can be checked with whether if go card is shown, then it is runtime robot with the, you are going to moving forward. F is a forward with the 60 seconds, so 60 speed, and a point 0.5 seconds it move, and then it will get stop. Then turn left L, that is a left direction, then it is going to move forward in the left direction for 40 speed and point 0.5 seconds. Likewise, turn right, your run time the robot with a right 40 speed and point 0.5 seconds. Likewise, U turn also, you are going to make a 60, then point 0.5 seconds it will wait. So this is a code. Let's see how it is running. I'll run and show you.